what you're going to do is on the search here on the bottom left of your screen, I'm going to want you to type in reset, R-E-S-E-T. So type in reset, and then what's going to happen is on the very top it's going to show up here recovery right on the top, and I want you to hit that, and then that's going to take you to this page right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click get started, and then this is going to give you two options. One is to keep your files, and one is to remove everything. I got a virus on this one, so I'm going to remove everything. Now keep in mind, if you remove everything, that basically means that it's cleaning it to out of box state. So like you purchase it from the store, it'll have Windows 10 or 11 on it, and it'll have all the apps that it came with, but everything else will be removed. Pictures, videos, any personal information, browsing history, and that's probably what a lot of you want. You're going to resell it, you're going to give it as a gift, or you just need a complete refresh. Now you might get another screen that's white. It looks like a BIOS, like white. Again, just look for reset. It's pretty self-explanatory, and it'll walk you through.